filming and shit's gonna blow up. A little high.
High?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, a little bit, just barely, dude.
Holy fuck.
Holy fucking A! Fuck yeah! That was fucking nuts! Holy shit!
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh! That was fucking insane.
Oh my god! Dude.
I told you 8 pounds is a fucking lot.
Holy fuck! God. Shit!
Little overkill. Dude, look at this. There's pieces of it right here.
Yeah. Did you see how high that flew?
Fuck yeah.
Flying. Right there?
I thought we were gonna catch shrapnel.
Here, I think too.
Dude,
Yeah,
way over there.
Dude.
A piece fell way over there.
Dude, what is that? Like 50, 25 yards? No, that's I'm gonna start blasting.
Did you feel the shock wave? Here, let me see. Let me try real quick.
What about me,
Oh, I know. Hang on. We just.
Gabe, that's like 60 yards.
Go for it. Hit that fucking. Pull up. Holy fuck, dude! Look at this area. It's an explosion happened right here. Look at this shit. This is where the fridge was.
Well, we sure did spread it.
The aftermath here. It used to be a refrigerator.
There used to be a fridge here.
As you can see,
The base.
not so much anymore.
Holy fuck, dude.
Wow, it smells nice.
There's the culprit down yonder.
Looking for his rounds over here.
There he goes. The man, the myth,
The legend.
the legend. Gabe Minus. Gabriel Minus. Wow.
Fucking, that's fucking insane.
That